bake a cookie to decorate. Is it on? Okay. Mommy and me are gonna decorate some cookies. It can be Halloween or any theme. So there's a little marshmallow. I wonder what's this for. Why is there a marshmallow? Mommy, can you tell me why there's a marshmallow?
The marshmallow is so that you can make a snowman in a cookie like this one.
Oh yeah, like that one. There's the instructions. You already saw it. So let's go decorate.
What are you gonna decorate?
This one. I'm gonna make it a little cute snowman.
Okay.
Remember you made this?
Yes. You want mommy to put the body of the snowman, then you put the marshmallow and decorate it.
Yeah. What are you gonna decorate?
I'm gonna think about it. I'm just gonna finish the body of your snowman.
It's gonna be wavy because it's melting.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just decorate. Mommy's trying to make the lines of the body. It's because you already heard Mommy said that. Right, Mommy?
Yes.
It's like dripping. Ah! Oh my goodness, it's kind of going off. But it's okay. There.
Because it's dripping snowman, right?
I'm gonna fill it in. There's no too much icing. That was too sweet. My snowflake was too sweet. So I decided to finish it until it's gone. I don't like that snowman. I don't like that snowflake at all. It's gone now. It's gone.
It's too sweet, right?
Yeah, it's too sweet. So I won't let anybody eat it. So Mommy's just spreading it with her stick. You can see that. Right? Right, camera? Right. Hello? Hello? Okay. Looks so pretty. It's so cute. It's melting. It's melting like crazy. Yeah. Look. There's the instructions. There. That's the instructions, so we have to do the instructions. So we can do any of this. But I failed in the snowflake, but so I made a different style that didn't follow this. It's not nice. It's just it's way like Halloween and Christmas at the same time.
Get the marshmallow and put the marshmallow head
Okay. Still good because it's a snowman. We need brown for the arms, not black. Why is it black?
But since we don't have brown, we're gonna use black.
Yeah. We're gonna use black. That you can see there's black at the arms. Oh my. Oh my. The sprinkles just kind of...
So where will I put the black? Are you going to draw the arms?
I'm gonna draw the arms.
Okay, sige.
It's kind of like difficult. So I'm just gonna not bend it. my snowman is finished. Its head is fluffy because it's a snowman. Snowmans are fluffy because it's made out of snow. It's so cute. Look at my snowman staring at you. It's staring at you right now. This time we're gonna do the Christmas tree together. So I'm just gonna do the line because there's supposed to be wood here. Christmas tree has wood to stand. There. Mommy, you're gonna fill it in. So we did the decorations together.